ECP.
Alois, Kinyanjui, Kuria.
Oh yeah.
Alois, I. Neto kwa jigo practice.
Pequeño akajuice.
Kajuice nitega na neto vire miza. Oko neko mate.
No, Korea. It's called East Church. St. Mary.
St. Mary.
No. Horsia. I don't know. Whatever.
But it's a Catholic church. And in the Kiambu Road, in the Horo, we go to the same church in Midwest. Alois, Kinyanjui, Kuria.
No. I.
Yes.
You. Kuma kureligate. Juga do. Juga I. You.
Sorry, me swear.
They are private.
Hey,
no jobless.
No, no, Wajiko.
No, Wajiko, Korea, Juja. You took care of them in my campaign.
If my son, if he needs to order something, he's just seated here. I really appreciate it. She's a Russian. You said you're a Russian?
Ukrainian.
You're an Ukrainian. She has 4 babies. You said 4 kids. 4 kids. Married for 20 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All here?
Huh?
All here?
Husband here.
Husband here?
Oh. I'm telling him, he's my uncle. I'm telling him, he told me marriage is too tough. Yeah. You feel you want to give up.
Someday, yeah.
Oh my God. If you say that, are we going to get married? We get this, you know me, I'm looking for a husband. I want to get married. Yeah. Retire, and my next job is being a full-time housewife.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
She's my baby sister. I want to marry her off.
Yeah, to some Zungus here.
To some white guy here. And
your husband is a Mzungu?
And tell someone who's gonna get married, like, you know, got a
your
beautiful
husband is a white
here.
or Ukrainian?
He's Russian. I mean his brother.
Oh, he's Russian. You're a Ukrainian married to a Russian. Oh, nice.
Oh, good combination.
Hey, you must be having beautiful kids. Beautiful kid. Beautiful kid, right? 4. Wow. Well, I'm challenged. So I think I'm also gonna get a Russian. You have Irina has another brother?
It's just him. That's
the only brother.
The only brother.
If you divorce him, then you should marry me.
I don't think anybody would want kids.
Nobody will get boys. He's bad boy. I love bad boys.
Guys love bad boys.
I love bad boys. Yeah, good girls love bad boys.
So you are a good guy.
Oh, he's a bad boy?
He's a bad boy.
Wow. I love bad boys. I know. Good girls love bad boys.
Oh, yeah.
Good boys are not.
To a certain extent.
Good boys are not good.
They are good.
Really? Me, I don't want good boys. Me, I love bad boys.
Oh, to the point it's like, okay.
So long as he's not beating her up.
No, it's time, like, for him, he still feel like he's
a baby.
22, 25.
And how old is he?
43. Similar.
How old is your firstborn?
He's 43.
Your firstborn?
Yeah.
No, the husband.
Husband's 43.
And your firstborn?
Firstborn?
My firstborn, she's 16.
Oh, she must be pretty. Black hair.
Black hair,
you know, Russians
nice.
are beautiful.
And all my kids, the other 3 have blue eyes.
Blue eyes?
Blue eyes and...
oh, blue eyes. I also want blue eyes, baby. I need Bobby number 2, number 3. He said my son just loves salad. Yeah. Or a neighbor.
Your brother.
You have a neighbor who or a friend of your hubby? They're all married.
I've been trying to sell my sister last 2 weeks.
Last 2 weeks.
Terrible.
Nothing is working.
Only taxi drivers from Ethiopia.
In America, not many good guys.
No good guys.
No many good guys in America.
It's hard to find good guys.
Why?
Just like they have a dating app.
I go to a dating app. If I put a photo of my Kenyan, people will talk about me on TikTok. They say they saw me on a dating app. You found yours on a dating app?
No. Not dating app.
Where did you meet
How
him?
did you guys meet?
was 16 when I met.
16?
Yes.
That's, you can be arrested in my country.
What age
He
did
was
you?
18.
What age did you say kids?
Huh?
At what age did you get your firstborn?
I was 24.
24.
Wow.
Hoping 8 years of dating.
No, I didn't.
You're a
when I was
good girl.
18.
You're a good girl.
Just for 5 years.
All
21
babies same
kids.
father?
Same father.
Oh, you're disciplined. Me one baby different, now I get married, now I give now back 3 babies the same father, blue eyes.
Now she gets another boyfriend, gets another baby, another girl boyfriend, another baby.
No, not across the style. No.
4 babies, different daddies.
It's hard these days. It's not the same how it used to be.
Oh my
Good morning, Kenya.
tuheirwo horo guku urerwo gitungati atiriri aruia bara ni mathiaga mburiki andu ni makwenda kunyita uguo nigu mathomera atiko
mirwira ciaro
oye
tweterere gitungati kirandi guku anytime next week
gitungati kirandi kuma gigeciria he kabara kaumira gigaikara ni badala akithikiriria ngamba kuhoria kanyamu chief gitungati
tweterere guku America.
Mwana itu ndakahutio ni mundu so mwana itu twiciarire
Ask Karina, she might know some friends.
I'll ask her before I leave.
My husband has a lot of friends.
Yeah, Irina,
Karina, yeah.
she
Tomorrow
can
she's
get me a
working.
Russian. Yeah, I'll come on the counter and start crying and ask her, please,
Yeah.
if you have your Russian friend, qualification number 1, rich and has blue eyes. Deda gukoni atikori ha Halois. Nego kuhorera Bruce. Nitwateithika. This article irenda gaguthomera na ithomerwo itungati na andu aria marutaga wira na kio na ni andu othe. All Kenyans are very aggressive.
I tell you.
Aria me guku kai guku onotangĩgĩthi kwetha ati mundu ati arek ati ku uramwenda kuna ni guku people are busy.
People are busy.
Very busy. Kenyans are very aggressive. Thank you so much. Onethiru tutironeka tono rithu turenda ku rest. Irega atiriri. Even the strongest need to rest.
Right.
But true warriors rest to rise again, not to quit. Constant alertness. Gutura goguo. No ahutia Dr. Kaswitu. No.
Gutaure na Gikuyu.
Doctors constant alertness wears down the brain. Taura.
Exactly. Even the strongest need to rest. Hinya muno na mayo.
Itugati.
Nimevatara kuhuruka na kuhurukia mesiria.
See?
But true warrior rest to rise again. Nindo itugati iria
Siama the true warriors.
Siruka negena ciukere gina mayo maige.
Cihiane tairete magi.
Na wathi ungi. Weruhaga ni gwiko atia? Ni kuongererwo.
So even true warriors rest to rise again.
Oh yes.
Not to quit. Of course we cannot. Because constant alertness
wears down the brain.
Gutinda we maitho ino no nginya ingi ndirigira studio itethambite ikenia jeshi
ugathemba we nduri wira umuthi
gathemba ya anniversary ya 2 years kuma ingira canjamuka nie ndi 18 years
imagine
nginya date ngigua ta damage tunyamu na guku ni urume
ewe gathemba wa behuruke umuthi Riu canjamuka ino ina mwene wa kuria Juja. Riu no gutheka ugoni train hanini to ndiui
na gutiri undu turaka guthiururuka kunyua gukoma kuria matunda guthondeka ndwara gukoma gwetha muthungu guthiururuka gukoma kuhiuhiria mwanake no kena mwanake araigana
ni tondu ya ngomo nini gutigira mundu ni athie nyauma thoko ndiamwendia.
Yeah. If you know. Na no akona mwanake ere kigana.
Na riu ndona
ndovu.
Ni tumuhire. Tiakire ando kwendia. Ni ngombe na kamukua.
Tukaba kohitha.
Ni ngombe na kamukua kana riu ni ate.
Ni hike na mwanake.
Ate na mwanake.
Ni.
No kuoyo. No, ndiguona ake mere nduri mwana
ndingihota ngiri na stretch marks da na yo niyo identity
ngumurera mere tuko tuhana uguo kuria kiumo gitu kuria kwa Roja tuko tuna
kwa nguru mawe nĩ ũretha kura na nĩguo ũratũmĩci
ndĩretha kura Juja no rĩu gũkũ nĩ gũgwethera mũthuri na nĩ mwerũ no nginya ngore mwerũ